I'm Randy and I make candy, and today I'm making cherry mash bars. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. If you're not familiar with cherry mash, they're part of a candy family that also includes cherry-alette, big cherry, and Bing bars. They're a cherry-flavored candy center coated with chocolate and peanuts. I've never had a cherry mash or a Bing, but cherry-alette and big cherry were among my favorite candies growing up. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own cherry mash bars, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. Okay, let's make this happen. For this recipe, you'll need 55 grams of granulated sugar, 8 grams of butter, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 22 grams of evaporated milk, 11 grams of mini marshmallows. I made these mini marshmallows out of larger marshmallows that I made in a previous episode. 45 grams of cherry baking chips, 45 grams of chocolate chips, 34 grams of peanut butter, and 36 grams of crushed peanuts. You'll also need a 4x4 pan, some parchment, some cooking spray, a saucepan, a spoon or spatula, a bowl, a candy thermometer, and a cutting board. Okay, let's make some candy. Line the 4x4 pan with parchment. Then spray the parchment paper with some cooking spray. In a saucepan, add the sugar, butter, salt, and evaporated milk. Bring it to a boil, stirring constantly. Insert a candy thermometer and cook until the mixture reaches 234 degrees Fahrenheit, stirring constantly. Remove the pan from the stove and quickly stir in the mini marshmallows and cherry chips. Evenly spread the mixture into the lined pan and then set it aside. Melt the chocolate and peanut butter. Add the peanuts and stir together until well combined. Evenly spread this over the cherry layer. When it's cool, remove it from the pan and cut it into whatever size pieces you'd like. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. Slancheva. Wow, this sure takes me back. That chocolate peanut combo is right on. The cherry flavor is a little artificial, but that's faithful to the original, so I suppose I can't complain. All in all, this is a pretty accurate recreation of a favorite childhood treat. If you're a fan of chocolate, cherry, and peanut, you really ought to try these. If you enjoyed your time here in the Candy Kitchen, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope you'll join me next time. But cherry-alette and big cherry were They're a cherry-flavored candy center coated with... Greetings, my confectionery...